Welcome back to this video. Before you, I submit a chart for eurusd on the 4-hour time frame taken on 7th December 2023, that is today, and we are going to see whether we have a trade idea from this chart. This is a plain chart for it, and move forward. This is the same chart eurusd on the 4-hour time frame with a small tick on it. Moving forward, we have this same eurusd. Now this one is on the 1-hour time frame. This is exactly what we are going to break down today. How exactly I maximized the opportunities from this setup. How exactly I took this trade with our standard mode. Yes. So beginning from this plain chart, as a custom, we always draw our model. This trade idea that I'm going to explain here will involve a bullish version of the standard trading model, which is like this, which is done like this. We have a sweep of liquidity here. We have a first break of structure. It's lower low, which is right here. This is where we take a buy and target this high. Ta-da! So right here, as you can see, we had a clear sweep of liquidity here, right? Clear sweep of liquidity. Then with it, the clearest first break of structure on this 4-hour time frame is right here. This one is the clearest one. But as I'm going to show you later, when you drop down on the 1-hour time frame, you will find out that this one here is a clear lower low for the first break of structure. I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, this is on the first break of structure, and this one becomes its lower low on the 4-hour time frame. But as we're gonna drop on the 1-hour time frame, you'll see that this guy here, this clear guy here, with the clearest lower low for the first break of structure. We said also for this bullish standard model to be high probability, we should have a market structure shift, which we have right here, right? Sweep of liquidity, which is this one. Then market structure shift, we said we should be having around here, right? Which is this one. And then first break of structure, this one was on the 1-hour time frame. Let me just show you before I head down. Right here, this is it. This guy here, this is the first break of structure. This is clear here. Let's go back. So we set our order here. That's what we said. We set our order here. Then we ride this market to the next higher high. This guy here. Ta-da! That is our target. Yes. As simple as it is. That is how we do. This is how we do in this channel. We always keep it simple. Now, we had a clear sweep of liquidity here, as I've just said, on the 4-hour time frame. And this one was on the 1-hour time frame. Of course, in trading, what we usually do, we are trying to minimize the losses that we are going to incur when the trade goes against our direction, and we always try to maximize the profits once the trade is going as per our prediction. Now, setting your order limit here on this guy here without dropping down on the, without refining your entry on the lower time frame will be absurd. You'll be putting yourself on a bigger risk. On a bigger risk. All this from here to here. Now, moving on to the small lipstick that I had on the 4-hour time frame. This is it. I taught you from the previous video how to exactly to draw this rectangle right here. So this guy, we took this guy from here to, let me show you exactly this guy. I will not draw anything. This is where we take our rectangle, pick it from here. Go from that higher wick, though it's not straight. That's the way we pick that rectangle to this lower low. That's the way we take our entry. That is where we take our entry as indicated right here. This guy here, set your buy limit here. Then we ride this market to our target, which is here, take profit. So a sweep of which is here, that's this one. On this, then this lower low becomes a stronger lower low that we don't expect it. If the market is to go by our prediction, we don't expect it to be taken. Stronger lower low. Then first break of structure is right here, which is right here. Its lower low is here. Then our O is to ride from there to here. This is our take profit, which is right here. As simple as that. Someone might also try to cut this market from here. After the sweep of this liquidity, this one is a clear sweep of liquidity. Then we had the clearest first break of structure is right here. You can see, as you can all see, first break of structure. Then its lower low is right here. Ta-da! Your stop loss should be kept here, as we said. So you ride the market to take a smaller pips. This was around like 15 pips. And with a good lot size, that's a lot of money in this market. That is a lot of money with a good lot size, right? Yes, but of course, as I'm going to show you with the next videos, this market was preparing to reverse from this point. So there's no way we could have set our limit here and target to take our profits here. We could be committing suicide. No. So what you normally would have said is you set your limit here, it will be triggered, then you ride to the next liquidity, small pips, then you get out 10 to 15 pips, you are good to go with a good lot size. As I said, that is a lot of money. Yes. So what I've just broken down here is exactly what is happening on the 1 hour time frame. Market is fractal in nature. This is exactly what is happening on the 1 hour. Said, let's go here, the first break of structure. Said from here, sweep of liquidity. First break of structure is lower low is right here. Ta-da! This is where we mitigate it. Yup. Ride to the take profit. And see, by setting our buy order limit here and setting our stop loss here, we have reduced the loss, the risk exposure that we have reduced the amount of money maybe that we could have lost from this setup. Yes, that was as simple as that. Yes, that was as simple as that, and nothing complicated. Everything easy. Yeah. Just take most of your time on the higher time frames, on the weekly, on the daily. Watch the market on the weekly, on the monthly, weekly, and the daily. 99% of your time, just be there and watch the behavior of the markets and try to spot out these patterns in all tradable assets. Yes, and you will be surprised with how this model is magical. Is magical. You will be surprised. So you always set your buy limit here and your stop loss here. I know someone might say, this is a bigger, I can't set my buy order here that I'll just jump on this trade when it's already flowing. It's already made a reversal, my friend. There is a slogan out there that no risk, no chance, or in other words, no risk, no story. Yes? We always build our stories from the risks we take, even in trading. If you're not willing to lose money, then it means you can't push that button and place a limit or enter a trade. You won't reap something that you've not sown. You've not placed a trade. How will you go and get profit? You won't. Yes. So we always advise that we should, as traders, we should always operate on the zone. That is a word that Mark Douglas usually refers to that level, to that degree where a trader reaches, where you are in a carefree state of mind, with no fear, whereby you are doing exactly what needs to be done. You're not weighing the alternatives. You're not considering the consequences of the trade that you're going to take. You're not second guessing on anything. That is to be on the zone. And I believe while doing so, you're doing exactly what you are supposed to do. Whatever you do turns out to be exactly what needed to be done. That is exactly what you're doing. And I believe from that, you'll be creating a winning attitude that allows you to see those outcomes, whether profits, whether wins or losses. When you win, then you think you paid yourself. When you win, then it means that you are making some progress. And when you also lose, it is a way that tells you to do something in a different way and learn from those losses. because you can't repeat those mistakes, because if you repeat your mistakes, then there's no way you are learning. Yeah, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, and you expect a different results. If this strategy is making you lose, you learn from it. If it's still making you lose, then you gotta change the strategy, maybe. Yes, you don't do the same thing, the same mistakes and expect to win in any form. Yes, that is exactly what you're saying. That is all about trading, taking risks. No risk, no chance. No risk, no story. Yeah, I believe I've reached the end of this video, and if you find this informative, just put a like on this video, and you can also comment on what you want me to do in the next video, and share this video so that our family will increase in one way or the other. And don't forget, if you're a new guy here, subscribe to the channel. That is the only return on my investment that I expect from you guys. So thank you so much, and bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.